Hello everybody and welcome back to the shop. For those of you that are new here, my name is Jonah and I do everything here at Maccabee Leather Goods, where I handcraft beautiful and sustainable outdoor gear for the modern explorer. Today, this is actually our first time making something here on the channel. It's not going to be outdoor gear actually necessarily. I do take this most of the time that I do go camping or hiking because it's a nice thing to have, but we're going to be replacing the watch bands on this cheap watch from Target. This is part of their, I forget what collection it's called, but I love this antique brass hardware. If you know me, that's kind of my style, my aesthetic, especially with this dark brown leather. So this is just some simple natural veg tan and some lighter contrasting thread. Nice, easy, simple project to get started if you're brand new to leathercraft. Relatively inexpensive, so we're just gonna jump on into it. Okay, and that's actually it for this video. Now, I lost the footage, I'm sorry, so you didn't see this part, but after I brushed on that contact cement to both sides of each band, I just put it through the loop and pressed both sides together after it dried for about 5 minutes, and it's a super strong bond, and it acts as one piece of leather after that. But and you can see here, it turned out absolutely beautiful. You'll remember how nasty and cheap that started out, but now it is absolutely gorgeous. This is a nice, simple, easy, cheap project to get started in leatherworking. You could honestly probably do this out of a remnant bag if you were really on a super tight budget. So I do encourage you to give this a try. I will have a pattern for these bands in my Etsy store, which should be up by the time I upload this video. So if you don't feel like making your own pattern, if you're not quite comfortable doing that yet, you can click the link in the description to get that pattern for just a few bucks, as well as I'll have linked all of the tools and materials that I used down in the description as well, so you can jump in and get this project done yourself. Now, if you did enjoy that video, if you did learn anything, I would very much appreciate it if you would like the video, if you would ask any sort of questions or anything down in the comments, and if you would subscribe and hit that bell thingy so that you know when I upload my next video. I've been on a bit of a hiatus because of school, but that's done now, so I will be uploading a video once a week on Sundays at 7 p.m. So make sure you don't miss those. It's going to be on all sorts of stuff related to how running my business looks, how all that works, especially as someone that's still a student full-time. I'll have videos like this one about how to make different things, as well as videos about products and things like that. So make sure you do subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of that coming up. It's all going to be great and awesome. And if you have, like I said, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and check the description for tools and materials. And I will see you guys next week.